Welcome to Packing Medications for Camp South. This instructional video will show you how to review medications and vitamins to ensure that you send them safely. It'll also show you how to enter medications or vitamins into the online system. And the last thing we'll do is show you how to update medications whenever something changes. Let's get started. All medications that come from a physician or an advanced provider that you pick up at the pharmacy are considered a prescription medication. This includes acne creams and washes. All prescriptions must come in the original container, have a pharmacy label, and they cannot be expired. If you're sending an over-the-counter medication or a vitamin, you need to ensure that it's in the original manufacturer's package and that it has both the medication or vitamin's name and dose or amount of medication. Individual packages are fine as long as they are sealed and unopened and the package has been written by the manufacturer to include the name and the amount of medication for each pill. If it doesn't have this, then you'll need to send it in the original box or container. We are unable to give meds when they are not packaged correctly. Some people use pill organizers for the week to manage their medication regimens. Others put together small bags or send containers that they've labeled themselves. These medications are unidentifiable according to standards of care and are unsafe to give. Please send your medications in their original containers so that we can give them to your camper safely. Let's move on to entering medications in UltraCamp. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the campfireseattle.org page. So go ahead and open your browser and put that in. Then we're going to click on Summer Camp, go down to Parent Corner. Then you're going to scroll down and access my account and click here. This is going to take you to UltraCamp, and you can go ahead and use your username and password and click login. I've already logged into a test account. So let's say that there was an acne cream that you didn't know needed to be entered, and now you do. So let's go ahead and enter that now. So let's click on Young Boy Test and scroll down. You're going to see the medication bar here. Go ahead and click on it to open. And then you're going to click Manage Medications. Go ahead and enter the name of the cream. So this is Tetranin. And it'll automatically bring up a list of all FDA approved drugs. If it's not in here, it just becomes a comment box. So just copy whatever is on the prescription label. So Tetranin cream. We'll scroll back up. And this is a topical. Now we need to say when it should be given and how much. You could usually use the prescription label or the medication on the manufacturer package to let you know. So this is going to be as needed, and we're going to say for breakouts, apply pea-sized amount to area. Okay, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Save and Proceed. And let's go down and see. Now we can see there's 3 there. Go ahead and click on the bar and you'll see that it's been added. And that's all for adding a new medication. Now, let's say we wanted to update or change a medication. So anytime you're sending medications to camp, you want to check about 7 to 14 days before just to make sure that everything is entered correctly. So let's go ahead and look at a test prescription label. So this is for Young Boy Test. So we have the right camper. The medication name is levothyroxine. We have a dose of 150 micrograms. It's supposed to be given in the morning, and it's 1 tablet. And it's also not expired, which it's going to expire a very long time from now. So let's go ahead and look at this medication here. So we have Young Boy Test, make sure we're in the right account. And then we have levothyroxine, but we only have 100 micrograms. So we want to change that. Go ahead and click Manage Medications. and scroll down. And once you see the levothyroxine or medication you're trying to change, you just click Edit. From here, you can change the way that we're giving the medicine, the time that it's being given, or the amount. So we're going to change this to 150. We're going to go back and make sure 150. And then if we had any additional comments, we could put down here, and then go ahead and click Save and Proceed. Let's scroll down, go ahead and click on the link here, and you can see that it's 150. It changes it right away. And that concludes our brief video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at camp. We'll look forward to seeing your campers this summer.